How do you insert an item into an array at a specific index? I am looking for a JavaScript array insert method, in the style of array_insert, index, item, preferably in jQuery, but any JavaScript implementation will do at this point. What you want is the splice function on the native array object splice, index, 0, item, will insert item into the array at the specified index, deleting 0 items first. That is, it's just an insert. In this example we will create an array and add an element to it into index 2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.